Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fashion Enthusiast. Today we have a special treat for you just in time of the festive season. Feast your eyes on this exclusive pure viscose Satin Patta Zari Work saree, priced at an incredible 850 rupees. Let's define right into on this stunning piece, a memorizing saree made with pure georgette fabric known for its lightweight and elegant drape. The 4-day Patta work add a touch of regal charm to this festive assemble. Now let's examine the intricate detail up close. The magnificent zari work meticulously adorn the pallu, border and body of the saree. Each thread is woven with precious, creating a breathtaking pattern that reflect the festive spirit. The contrasting color beautiful complement each other, making it a true delight for the eye. The fabric feel incredible and soft against the skin, ensuring utmost comfort throughout the day. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to carry, allowing you to effortlessly glide through any festive occasion with its timeless design. This saree is perfect for both a traditional and contemporary event. To maintain the saree luster appearance, it is best to hand wash it with care. This will prevent beautiful of year to come, ensuring you make a statement every time you wear it. So guys, this saree is true gem that capture the essence of the festive season. Its credible zari work and luxurious fabric make it must have for any fashion enthusiast. Make a lasting impression with the enhancing piece. Thank you for joining in this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion and updates. Stay stylish guys, and until next time, if you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box, you can check it out.